Today we are in Hollywood Studios, and there's a couple points to this video. Number one is we came to Hollywood Studios because I've never gotten a popcorn bucket before in my life, and don't really want to start that collection, go down that rabbit hole. That'd probably be bad.
We said that with Funko Pops.
And that was bad, yeah. So, however, they do have probably my favorite one I've ever seen, so we came here to get it, and that is the Pizza Planet delivery truck right here. I love it. So we came after work to get it, but while we are here, we thought, you know what? Let's do a food review. So we got a reservation. We're gonna eat at the 50's Prime Time Diner. We have never been before. And since we're trying to eventually put all restaurants and rides and everything on our website, we thought let's just knock another one off. Also, point of the story is it is a popcorn bucket. So we've already eaten some popcorn since it is a popcorn bucket. I ate more than you, so I'm kind of like, well, I'm comfortable right now.
We already eat in a few minutes.
Eat in a few minutes. So we'll just see how it goes. But anyway, we're gonna show you what that 50's Prime Time Diner looks like. We did get a reservation on a night like tonight. I don't think you would need one because I think it said a 10-minute wait. So we went ahead and got one for $7.15. You can check in 20 minutes early, so we're gonna go ahead and check in and they might just seat us right away. Long story short, doing a food review. Let's go check it out. I misspoke earlier. It's 50's Prime Time Cafe. I said diner. Same sort of thing though. It's right here. It's right next to Hollywood and Vine. Right next to Hollywood and Vine over here. 50's Prime Time Cafe. They do have a menu out front. They said they will text us when the table's ready. So we're just gonna wait out here until we get that text. Hopefully it's not a digital menu. We'll just have to find out. Let's look at the menu. It's currently 7:04 and we just got the text saying our table is ready. And we head right inside. Look at this bar. It's like a old time cafe. Restrooms that way. Oh, this is pretty cool. We're gonna be right here. They got a little TV right here. Now they said they can be rude here as like part of it.
I think it's not necessarily rude, but they'll make sure you mind your table.
Oh, like no elbows on the table. They said, whoever the waitress is, that they're gonna babysit us. So, Aunt Kimmy? Aunt Kimmy's gonna babysit us. Never been in here, but it looks pretty cool. Again, restrooms are down that hallway. Watch some TV while we're here. Did you hear that? Somebody got in trouble for being on their phone. Now we will go over the menu again. Peanut butter and jelly milkshake. Appetizers. Entrees. What do we have on this side? Oh, the drink menu. Dad's Electric Lemonade. Here's some non-alcoholic drinks. So it's like we're cousins at somebody's house.
Right, that's why Aunt Kimmy's taking care of us.
And we gotta be on our best behavior.
Right.
Okay, all right. I've caught myself.
Your elbows on the table 3 times so far.
I've put my elbows on the table 3 times so far, and I've caught myself. Hope I don't get yelled at. Looking at the cornbread skillet and a sampling of Mom's favorite recipes. Hey, good. Whew. A little nervous in here. She was actually really cool, but we're not supposed to use our walkie-talkies, aka our phones.
No elbows on the table.
No elbows on the table. Say them. Eat all your vegetables. Say the magic words.
Please and thank you.
And if we do that, I think we're good. We did order the cornbread and the sampler. Should be good to go. Someone's in timeout right now.
And they all just shouted shame, shame, shame.
That's funny. We just got a strike. They had all the stuff right here on the table, and she said, we're going to set the table. But she meant for us to set the table. So when she came back, she goes, why didn't you set the table? So we definitely, yes, we quickly did that. Just got the waters today. Disney water usually is very good, especially on a hot day. Good water. They're good at having good water. Normal water. They just said there's an annual pass holder discount, and right now it's currently 20%. I think normally it's like 10, but right now it's 20. Here we have the cornbread, and that looks absolutely amazing. Really excited to give that a try. The honey butter. I'm pretty sure you just cut that like perfectly down the middle.
Felt pretty good about it. A little coffee filter off the bottom.
It's equivalent to about 8 little pieces of cornbread, if you will, and they give you plenty of butter. Tember said it's really good. So I'm gonna try it. Walt is on the TV right now. Yeah, that's really good. I love cornbread, and that's delicious. Now currently they have the Dick Van Dyke Show on, which is pretty cool. So this guy's just getting in so much trouble. He has to help take the dishes to the kitchen. That's funny. And here's a look at that sampler. Yeah, it pretty much has everything you'd want to try. So typically, I guess if you're not getting like cornbread or you didn't just eat popcorn prior to coming in, I would say you could probably order one of those to yourself. But if you ate popcorn, you ate cornbread, and you're already pretty full, definitely share this. Works out. I'm gonna dig in with the meatloaf first, mashed potatoes, green beans, then the pot roast, then the chicken. I have to say this is a good sampler. What's your favorite thing?
Fried chicken's good.
It is really good.
And the pot roasts are my favorite.
I would probably, I mean, it's all good. It's hard for me to pick. I am a big fan of meatloaf, so it's good. Mashed potatoes are great. Maybe the one that I thought would just taste like normal, that tastes better than normal, is the fried chicken. It's really good. So the fried chicken, it's hard to share because obviously it's fried chicken, so we're just like both kind of picking off of it. But for a second, it's really good.
Are we telling everybody about it already?
We are, yes.
Yeah.
We're bragging
Oh my
about
gosh.
it. I thought I was gonna get in trouble there. But you don't each get like a little piece of it. And for a second I forgot, and I thought Timber literally ate the bone and everything. I was like, holy cow, you ate the whole entire chicken. Definitely didn't. One of the rules, finish your veggies, which I'm pretty sure we're gonna finish everything. So no worries there. I don't think we're gonna get any dessert, but this will be kind of the dessert. Had we not got the cornbread, we probably would have gotten a dessert. We are official members of the Clean Plate Club. That's awesome. Wear it with honor. Kimmy was a great cast member for us. Total bill, oh yeah, it is 20% off, $8 off, $34.08. Not bad at all. So it'd be, $40-ish, which still isn't bad for a Disney theme park restaurant. They call the bill either a grocery bill or a grocery receipt. I can't remember, but it's on par with the theming here. Very cool. We are all finished. Yeah, it looks like you can maybe just get seating at the bar over there, possibly. Just open seating, maybe? I don't know. Thank you. Well, it's raining a little bit, which is great. We need it in Florida, but I don't know. There's like a bar here. I guess you could maybe the lounge.
It's a lounge where you can wait. You can
just.
drinks and wait.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Hey, there's Mickey right through there at the Hollywood and Vine. Look at the theming up top though. They've got like a table and chairs up there, which is pretty cool. Check it out. It even has headlights. Since it was raining, you know, when it rains and you have your wipers on, you have to have your headlights on. So we're good there. Over here.
Dude, that thing doesn't even have windshield wipers.
That's right. Here is where you would put your actual like popcorn box. I was gonna say bucket, but this is a popcorn bucket. It sets in there. So you see Buzz and Woody in the back anywhere? What? Oh, and the wheels actually move too. And the door opens. Whoa, I'm gonna be playing with this all night. This is sweet. That was our trip out to the 50's Prime Time Cafe. It was fun.
Yeah.
We were very calm, but we saw other people who got in big trouble. Troublemakers.
Just reminded me of dinner back home when I was a kid.
There you go.
Fine.
Yeah. The cast member that was helping us was great. And food was actually like really good. I enjoyed everything we got. Next time we won't eat popcorn prior to it. I am thankful we got this though, so.
Because no more popcorn buckets.
Right, we don't want to get that started. That would be a bad idea to get those started. So, really not that expensive either for sharing. I mean, I know we get $8 off, but still $30, $34 for a sit-down Disney restaurant at a park is not bad
And an experience.
at all. Yeah, and an experience. Theming in there is really cool. Love the TV going. It was a good spot. So glad we got to do it. I think we'll call it for tonight. I can take my popcorn bucket home. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.